Hello, what's going on, guys? So today we're going to be looking at top 5 of the rarest animals on Earth. So the first one here is the northern hairy-nosed wombat. There we go. This animal is mostly found in Australia in the Epping Forest National Park of Queensland, and the wombat uses its nose to find its way around. And it has a very poor sense of eyesight, so yeah, that's how it mainly uses its nose to get around, and it burrows. So I think what I was reading on this one is it has a very sensitive nose and that's the way it feels and smells around. So yeah, and I think it's only found in this national park. So yeah, it definitely is a very, very rare animal. This next one here is the Pygmy three-toed sloth. Only with the population last measured, it was good. My writing is bad. I'm sorry. Since the population was measured in 2011, there was only 79 of these little guys left, and they were all located on the Panama coast. I mean, even if this number is still accurate to this day, I'm pretty sure that these guys are still declining. So I'm pretty sure there's a little less than 79 now. I mean, we should definitely preserve a lot of these animals on this list, especially the Pygmy sloth. Not only is it adorable, but it can definitely help us study like past species and how pygmy versions of other species have, I guess, evolved and well, not really why they evolved, but just how genetics have separated themselves into other, I guess, species. Next, the Pika. Pika. But it's native to the mountainous regions of China. They feed on grass, the high evolution. There I go. I was going to say evolution. Elevations. The grass is at high elevations. But there we go. Finally. But due to climate change and people pushing further and further into their habitat, these guys are losing more and more ground and are getting pushed closer and closer to mountain peaks, which they're not necessarily suited for, so they are definitely on the decline. And I think this is like the inspiration for Pikachu, I'm not going to lie, because when I was trying to find images of this, there was one picture with Pikachu and this, I'm pretty sure that was the inspiration or this little guy is the inspiration for Pikachu. The giant otter. So, found mainly in South America, the giant otter is the largest otter known to exist. And these guys are definitely bigger than your average North American river otter. I mean, just even from this picture, it looks humongous. So, I mean, this picture probably doesn't do it a whole lot of justice, but that still looks pretty big compared to a regular North American sea. No, why do I keep saying sea? River otter. There we go. And I've seen like river otters, and they're actually pretty small. They're actually a fair size, not like too small, but about the size of a cat. So I could imagine like this guy would be huge compared to like, I don't know, a standard otter, I guess. The roloway monkey. Sorry if I completely butchered that name, but don't feel don't hesitate to correct me in the comments. But as of recent years, there's no definite number on how many of these guys are left. But the total number since it was last measured has dropped by nearly 80% in recent years. So yeah. These guys are definitely on the decline, which I think, from what I was reading, was due to deforestation and farming. And a lot of lumber yards, sorry about that, a lot of lumber yards like to protrude into these guys' habitat and tear down trees to make for more wood, for like housing and stuff. So yeah, I think a lot of these were just due to deforestation and farming and cattle and yeah, whatnot. So I feel like in time we should not in time. Right now we should definitely start to consider the loss of these species, and we should definitely do more to have regulations and move these guys into like a protected area and keep the population at a steady pace. So yeah, that's going to wrap it up for the video today, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you guys next video.